Okay, this is Mr. Michael, and I am back to talk about another bag for the CS and AI 8 Plus set. We have more Technic pieces and some regular brick sets in this mustard yellow. You can see that's a lot more bold. And our regular sets here, this does match the minifigure series part with this flamingo looking color here with the inverted towel and an extender. So extender is when you're looking for a longer axle or need to extend onto an axle, you just put one in. It extends up to halfway. You can almost see the part inside here, and you can put another axle in on that side, and it will pretty much keep the profile low enough to go in and around other things without catching into different things. This is a new color that I'm aware of for the extenders. There's a lot of other colors. So we have our 5-axle, or 6-axle, 6-length axle, 5 and 3 and 2. 2 has been red for a long time. The 6 is kind of new and red. 5 has been gray for a really long time, and the 3s have been yellow for a while. Let's see, moving into this, a new color for this piece here, just a axle stopper part here, unlike the circle part we had in the other color. These little bricks here, which are 2/3 high, give you a little opening in the bottom to maybe slide something underneath smoothly, or this fits on top of it to lock it down. 2x4 pieces in our box, which is, this is new to relatch, but our pulley belts are inside of here. We get 2 reds. They are a more sturdy red than before. They have a cylindrical spinning part around them where they will stay this way. I would have to pull out an older one to show how they are not this elasticity, but different. Still should move, should be more resistant to stretching, overstretching. If you've used those before, you know they can get warped out after students make bracelets out of them, or they've been stretched on the pulley belts too much. The star of the show here is the yellow frictionless peg. So, well, I was supposed to have a frictionless insert piece here. Make a little noise and find something from the other package. Here we go. I'll need to get 2. I'll get 2 pieces from the teal part here so we can talk about the frictionless part and the additional piece I just discovered on it. I'm back. So we have our open parts here where we can connect a peg into, or an axle goes through here, and frictionless means you can just spin this freely here. And what the additional piece on this is, and this is new to me, and I do have others close by here. I won't go through all of my items and waste too much time here, extend our time too much, but they've inserted this. Let me see if I can get really close. They have this groove. There is a small notch groove here. I'll try to reflect it there, but then there's a larger notch here. I don't know what the usage of this is as far as if it has a function, but for me, as I was trying to do a presentation here, I noticed my pegs actually didn't just roll away, so it allowed them to stay put more so in a space that works for me. So I like this in the classroom. You get pieces just kind of gravitate off to another area, and that could be kind of challenging and frustrating at times as well. So this is a gifting and a contribution of this bag, and I'll go to another one. This is the conical gear I was speaking of earlier that goes inside of the clear piece that runs the rack part here. So that conical gear would actually go inside of that and grip this to move it around. So this is what works inside of that to scale. All right, thank you guys.